Hey everyone. Welcome to another episode of DIY Torque Lab. Have you ever wondered why your tires seem to wear out faster than you'd expect? Well, here's the secret a lot of people overlook. Regular tire rotation. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, it makes a huge difference for your car and your wallet. Let me break it down for you. Your tires don't all wear the same. The front ones, especially if you've got a front-wheel drive, handle more braking, turning, and engine power. That means they're working harder, and they wear out way quicker than the ones in the back. If you never rotate them, you'll end up with 2 bald tires and 2 barely used ones. And nobody wants that. By rotating your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, basically every other oil change, you spread the wear evenly. I mean, heck, you could rotate with every oil change. That means your tires last longer, you get better mileage, and your car handles smoother. Plus, you're less likely to deal with weird vibrations or noisy rides. And let's be real. Replacing all 4 tires at once is a lot easier on your budget than buying 2 now and 2 later. Now you might be thinking, can't I just leave it to the pros? Absolutely. Most shops will rotate your tires for a small fee, or sometimes even free with an oil change. But if you're feeling handy, it's not rocket science. Just make sure your car is secure and always refer to your owner's manual for the right tire rotation pattern. Some cars need tire rotation side to side, front to back, and other cars in an X pattern. So to unlock the secret to longer-lasting tires, don't skip those rotations. It's quick, easy, and saves you money in the long run. Plus is a fun DIY project. Trust me, your car, your wallet, and your peace of mind will thank you. Stay safe out there and keep those wheels rolling. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Also, check the description below for tools you can buy to do this as a DIY project at home. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.